If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha everybody, we are the Emmerichs and we are here in the kitchen and we want to show you how to roast garlic, because roast garlic tastes so delicious in just about every recipe that calls for a clove of garlic. I always use roasted garlic because it's a more mild, sweeter taste. I usually make their protein noodle lasagna with it and their spaghetti with it, even though they probably don't know. It's very easy. You can get garlic at the store. And it doesn't need to be refrigerated. And I'm going to cut the top right off. I'm going to have jobs for you guys in a minute. Just like that, so you expose the garlic, okay? And I am a part of this really cool olive oil club. I used to be part of a wine club. Now that I no longer drink alcohol, and I haven't for about 16 years, I now collect wine I now collect olive oil, and this is Olive Oil of the Month Club. Super cool guy, he goes around the world. So anyway, I'm using this special olive oil, and all you do is sprinkle a little bit of that on there. And I use my Redmond real salt. Put some salt right on there, and then your guys' job is going to be, I'm going to do 8 of these. So you wrap it up in parchment, and then wrap it in one piece of foil. Can you do that? Wrap it tightly, so there's no air is going to get in there, and then put that right on the thing right there, okay? Now, the reason why I use parchment paper on over the foil is because you don't want food to touch hot foil. It's just really not a healthy way. So Kai, you're on it. Perfect, perfect. So I'm going to do this. A little bit of olive oil and a little bit of salt. And then first roll it in the ball with that. And this is gonna, like, when it comes out of when you smell the house, it's like you feel like you're in Olive Garden or a fancy Italian restaurant. I'm dreaming of Italy. Where was I a year ago? In Italy. In Italy, so mommy's missing Italy. There you go, wrap it real tight. Yep. And then we're gonna keep going with, Micah, can you put a piece of parchment on there?
Wrapping it like a ball.
And then we do that. Drizzle of that. 3 ingredients, that's it. And what I love about this is I put these in the freezer when they're done. Let's make sure that it's right side up. I put these in the freezer when they're done. I take them out, I'll show you. But then you can just, like, when it's defrosted, you just squirt it right out. It's perfect. So we have a couple more. Kai, can you put a piece of paper on there? There we go. We have this exposed. Now I've done this in my slow cooker, and I've done this in the Instant Pot. If you do it in the oven, you're going to get that really caramely brown color that you're looking for. It still works in the Instant Pot, you just don't get that beautiful caramel color. Here. Now that we have our garlic wrapped tightly, we're going to put it in a 400-degree oven for 40 minutes. Oh my goodness, it smells like an Italian restaurant in here. What does it smell like?
Onions!
Garlic! We roasted garlic. It's like a vampire's nightmare in here, isn't it? So after 40 minutes, you're going to pull it out of the oven. Micah, can you close that up? I just want to show you just how beautiful these are. Ooh, that's hot. I've burned my fingers so many times, it doesn't even bother me. So you can toss these right on in your freezer as is if you want to, or you can put it, like, let them cool a little bit, put them in a Ziploc. But let's see. Oh, we probably could have let it go a little bit more. It's not super caramely like it is sometimes. But you can see it started poking right out, and this is really soft and gooey. See how it's like that? Mm-hmm. That is your roasted garlic. And then when you want to use it in something, I'll squirt one out just to show you. You squirt it right on out. Oh, see how it's coming out? It's just real soft like that. Real soft and tender. And it's caramely and sweet compared to that harsh garlic taste sometimes. So anyway, that's how to roast garlic.
Sharing is caring. Share this video with your friends.